How's it going, guys? We're looking at the little 12 volt compressor conversion. If you've seen the other video, we had a lot of compression leaking around the cylinder head here. I've just in the process of finding a hex key that fits. This one's a little bit on the small side, but every one of these is completely loose. The head's actually just sitting there nearly. So we're going to zip these out. Get these zipped out and inspect the head gasket, see what's actually going on. See whether there is a gasket, whether it's toast, whether it's still there, whether it's doing anything. And then we'll test it again and compare our results, see how quick it pumps up. Big positive, still full of pressure, look at that. So in that respect, oh, there's one. I don't actually know how the head's going to come off as the outlet pipe comes out the side, but we'll see if we can't have a look and work out if there's a seal in there, and if there is a seal in there, we'll just put it back together and actually tension it up a bit. Okay. Just a bit of a fail. Okay. Better get some CRC onto them and get them undone. We'll just see if they undo. No, they're going to spin. Alright, let's just torque the head back down properly. We'll be able to see if it leaks. And see what happens. Because they were literally just finger tight. Obviously after a bit of use it's gone and loosened itself off. It does get considerably warm, so not a surprise. And it's not the youngest little compressor. I think I bought it back when I had a four-wheel drive, so I haven't had a four-wheel drive for 5 years. I never expected it to last, actually. It was one of them. I should have done videos back then. I used to quite often buy things with the expectation that they wouldn't be that awesome. Just to test them and see if they would prove me wrong or even surprise me a little bit. And this is one of those items. As you can see, it's still around. So we'll have a 12 volt leads. Might run just off that battery. The poor old solar's struggling today. Only at 12.3 volts. Now we've got 160 watts coming in. It's autofocus. Horribly grey and overcast. Alright, let's see what happens now. Keeps leaking out of there. It's a hell of a lot quieter. It's the first thing I noticed. Drop all the pressure out. A bit of pressure in these tanks. That pressure's gone. keeping the compressor unloaded for some reason. It's almost empty. Check valve's not open. Alright, I'll come back in a minute. Alright, so we'll open up the check valve here. Just gonna hiss like a champion. Pull the check valve out. The valve's meant to shut. I can't understand why it's staying open. Put a check valve back in. Check valve back. It's not even going in the tank, it's coming straight out the check valve. Okay. Next idea, I'll come back. Okay, so I've crimped that line off. Seems something up in here's failed, even when you let the little plunger move up and down. Maybe it got too hot the other day or something, not sure. The heat coming out of the little direct drive compressor is substantial. One thing I don't like about these is they've got no cooling aside from the heatsink at all. In the manual they claim that you can run them for up to half an hour pretty much straight, like you can pump up your 4-wheel drive tyres or whatever. It's got amazing magnets in the motor. They grab hold of everything. But it is significantly quicker. Pressure switch might be something we're just going to have to do without. I don't think it's going to be a big issue. The anti-vibration style mount we made up working perfect. Yeah, well, I'm going to call it a success. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it is a portable 12-volt compressor that you can go and nail a fence with it or whatever. Say you're out and about working and you've got the nail gun out, you get to shoot some nails in with it. And when I've got a surplus of energy in the off-grid system in summer, this is just going to be the little compressor we use for doing bits and pieces, because I just want to use up that free solar energy. No point in letting it go to waste or not collecting it at all. Yeah, compressor may not be the healthiest, but it is definitely rising. So for a free compressor body, an old 5-odd-year-old air compressor that I didn't have any other use for, and some stuff I had laying around. It's still leaking a bit of pressure out of that. Outlet pipe. A few more little crimps in it now. I might actually take that off and cap it, but that's where a bit of the pressure's going, so it's still leaking. Yeah, we got a moisture trap catch in here, the nasty's coming out. And little direct drive compressors do make a fair bit of heat, which makes a fair bit of moisture in your air tank. Yeah, 50 litre tank and 72 litre a minute compressor, which is probably really only doing about 50 litres a minute. Yeah, oh well, we'll call it a win. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got one of these little compressors that's struggling or slow to charge, just a bit of warm water or a bit of soapy water or whatever around the outside of the head and you might see some leaks. Catch you in the next vid.